Today in the hangar we got a Bonanza that needs a new strobe light housing. I'd like to share with you tips and tricks on how to get the hole positioning correct and how I go about doing that. So here we have the original strobe light and its housing. First thing you're going to do is remove that. I line it with tape that extends past where the holes are. As you see here, I make a center line across the horizontal center of the holes, and then at any angle you want, as long as it's different from the original line, you mark the center of the holes again. You can see that it gives you two different lines of intersection, so the center of those lines will be on the hole. Now with the new housing in place, take your ruler and you can mark and extend those lines that you've just created onto the new housing. Now once you have your crosshairs, I always start small, so I start with a number 40 and then I upsize to where I need it to be. So here you see I've already drilled my holes, and then I just upsize them where I need to be. And that's how I do the fairings and hole positioning.